Yeah, yeah. Metro on the beat, Metro on the beat.
Ella Metro on that beat.
Okay.
Hi there, my YouTube viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Beauty Health, also known as Asia. In today's video, because y'all, it was highly requested, I'm gonna be showing you how I created this emerald bluish gold crease warm looking look with the Jaclyn hair Morphe palette that was given to me by Christmas. It was actually requested because I posted it on Snapchat. I don't know if it's still on my Snapchat. It is. This is the picture that I posted. And you guys is like, you want to see it, so I'm just going to go ahead and I filmed the tutorial for you the same day. And I will put on the screen whoever requested it because, yeah, if it wasn't for you, I probably wouldn't have been filming this. But before we get into the tutorial, don't forget to follow me on my social medias. My Instagram is simply.foreverasia and my Snapchat is moneybaby_bay. Also, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you'd like to see more makeup tutorials in the future. And subscribe, because I love to keep joining my channel with you guys because y'all are my me familia and I love you guys all the way to the moon and back. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that bell icon right next to the subscribe button so you don't miss out because I post every Sunday. And yeah, and I wouldn't want you to miss out on new videos some more. So I feel like I had talked enough. Let's just go ahead and jump into this tutorial because I have a feeling it's going to be long because all my makeup tutorials are long. I don't know why, but they are. So yeah, bye. So let's get this eye look started. Before I start, I am using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So just so you know beforehand, this is the eyeshadow palette I'm using. But everything else I'm using is So Seriously drugstore. So I had already did my brows actually because I filmed 2 videos today. The video before this is a brow routine, updated brow routine. So yeah, so I already did my brows and concealed them. So first I'm gonna go in with my LA Colors Cover Pro Concealer Up Stick in the shade medium beige to prime my eyelids.
Sit down.
Yo, Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet.
And I try to go up with it too as far as I can. And I'm just blending this out with my finger.
Tired of me, honestly. Don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Dropped 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working as hard as me? I don't bother with these.
Okay, so now that it's blended out, I'm going in with my Morphe palette. And I'm taking this orange shade right here next to this reddish shade. I'm taking this. I'm going to use my ring finger to set the concealer.
6 a.m.s in my bank account, yeah. 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 In my bank.
Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild. This is what it looks like. It is a crease brush. I'm gonna go towards the bottom of the palette and I'm taking this brown and I'm putting that all in my crease.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas.
Okay, now that I've gotten that color in my crease, I'm gonna go in with this brush. It's tapered. I don't know if you can see it, but it's tapered like that. And I'm gonna go in next to this brown shade that I just previously used. This is another darker brown shade. I'm gonna take that and I'm putting it directly in my crease. So with the color before that, I went kind of above my crease. Now this one I'm getting like really in there in the cut of my crease, and a little bit is gonna go on your eyelid as well.
I get that back on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Back of them cookies, it's medical. Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean and
Okay, so now that I have that darkened, I'm just gonna go back in with that crease brush and the crease shade, and I'm just gonna blend it out. I like using the colors to blend it out more than I like using the a dry brush, not a dry brush, a clean brush, because I just feel like the colors can get more blended easily. But that's just me. I'm really getting in there.
You got no. Hold on, wait 1 minute.
Yay! So now that that's all blended out, I'm going in with this brush. This is what it looks like. It's small, kind of tapered. Can't really see it. Ooh. Can you see it now? Can't really see it. Ain't gonna see it now unless I autofocus it. It's not gonna focus. I don't know why I don't want to focus on this brush, but this is what it look like. There we go. So I'm using this brush on two sides with two different colors, but the lighter side, which is this side, I'm going in with my palette. I'm taking this color, this dark brown. I'm getting that on that one side, and I'm darkening my outer V. So I'm just placing it on there like this. I don't know how much of that y'all can see. Just darkening up my outer V like that, and then taking the extra and sweeping it up in the crease.
In my drop top, I did hug on flop, flop. When I drop, I did hug on flop, flop. When I drop, I did hug.
6 months later.
Now I'm flipping it to the other side, and right next to that deep brown side color, there's a black. I'm gonna just load the other side up on that black. Not a lot, just a little bit, just a tad. And I'm really gonna use this to darken it. See how that's dark on this side? Yeah, I'm really using that. I'm just getting that in the corner, and I'm doing a small V.
1,000 for the time. Yeah, they fucking with us, that's a lie. A lie, a lie, a lie. A lie, a lie, a lie.
Okay. So that's what it looks like, and I got like this fallout. It's not fallout, but I just blended it all the way out here, and I really wasn't trying to do that, but yeah. Now that I have that, I'm going in. I need to cut my crease, so I'm going in using this e.l.f. moisturizing foundation shade in this shade Caramel. This shade is absolutely too light for my skin tone. I don't know if you can see that, but it's too light. If I was to mark it, I have a whole nother skin tone on, but it's really great to conceal. So I'm taking this small concealer brush. This is what it looks like. Oh, too close. This is the small concealer brush. Exactly what it looks like, and I'm gonna use this to cut my crease. So yeah.
Ain't enough, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out, going nuts, yeah, going down, sauce it down.
Kinda did a half cut crease, but it's not a half cut crease. So it's like in the middle. It's 2/3 of a cut crease.
Side, jump straight to the lead. Take a sip, feel just how I be. On freeway, I am not a Mayan, I'm a menace. It's wild, you can lie like a.
And we cut the crease. So now, I'm sorry y'all, my brushes is kind of all over the place. Now I'm taking this like big fat eyeshadow brush. This is what it look like. It's big and fat. And I'm using that shade we used to set our concealer earlier. And I'm using it to set the cut crease.
Play with that money like peekaboo, play with these bitches like peekaboo, broke ass bitch ass nigga, I'm not finna play with you, that's what these rappers do, peekaboo, 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 peekaboo.
I'm really pressing that in there too.
Peek like a Gucci ad-lib, bird, go to the Coca-Cola, mascot, polo bird, put my sauce on lasagna, it can make Garfield bird.
I'm just gonna scoot back a little bit and like this, kinda. Okay, so y'all can see it better. Okay, that's better. So that's what it look like. I cut it, and I got the powder up there and everything. So now I'm gonna go in with this brush. I'm gonna go in with this brush. This is what it looks like. It's a small, denser, less dense eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna spray with a little bit of water so it can really pick up the color. I'm going in at the very bottom, and I'm using this bright blue eyeshadow color, and I'm putting that all over the eyeshadow, all over the crease color. I mean the concealer.
Oh yeah, couldn't tell you better than I show ya. I'm trying so hard to ignore the way you make that clap, no you know ya. See you curving and stacking your frame, girl. Dip swerve, then I'm back. If I gotta go hard on the bitch, I'ma make it look sexy. I pull up, hop out, air out, made it look sexy.
Okay, I'm back. Now I'm doing a bigger, it's like the other brush, but this one's a little bit more rounder and a little bit more denser. I'm using this brush. This is what it look like. And I'm going in with that dark green emerald looking color. And I'm doing that on the outer third of this eye and blending it into the middle.
Speeding in that foreign with 5-0 on my eyes. But I'm that nigga, I won't never change. Rubbing off the paint, smoking dang. Got a Uzi.
Gonna tap about business again. He wanna lot with new Billy's again.
Okay, so we finished with that. So now I'm gonna go in with that crease color and blend it out.
Let me hold it. All these niggas phone it. I do not condone it. I be going ham. I do not belong it. It's a cool that moment, yeah. Bought it cause I.
And now I'm going in with the deeper crease color to blend that out some more. I'm just doing all of this to blend, so.
I ain't really here to take no pictures. Flash. Middle finger up for the system. Fuck 'em. Yeah. Coupe is robotic.
And then I'm going in there again and darkening up my outer V and blending this out.
I turn offset on. I told him the other day, man, we should sell that porn.
Okay, so I finished deepening up my crease and all of that. So now I'm gonna go in with eyeliner, and I'm using this felt tip liner. Literally, I got it for Walmart for $1, and I'm just gonna do wing eyeliner like this one. So yeah.
Umbrella with ice, 10 bad bitches on my side, make them all my wife. Smoking on the finest ganja.
Like the album just went platinum. Yeah.
Okay, so I did the wing eyeliner. I don't know if half of this stuff in view, out of view, or what, but I'm trying. Okay, so can I get an E for effort? I'm using wrong brush. I'm going again with this looking brush. So look like, and I'm going in with the darker crease shade and the outer V shade. I'm mixing them together and putting this my bottom lash line.
I'ma hit you for AMC if you make it. Deposit.
Paid all these dudes with the game. Sacrifice your strides for.
So now that I got my bottom lash line done, I'm trying to think about what I did next. Oh yeah, I'm gonna take a white eyeliner and put that in my waterline, or at least try to. Can't really get it on camera, but I'm gonna try.
Oh, bitch about to drag. Nigga had M's for ass. Got a brand new bitch, you that. Rock the flood AP all black. White toes give me a 10. Cocaine kill it 10.
So yeah, I got it in there. Now mascara, and I'm going again with the e.l.f. volumizing and defining mascara. It's $1. You can get it at Walmart for $1. That's what I did, and it's literally, yeah, they're literally the best mascara ever.
Face looking like a young Sade, cause I gotta get it.
Keep my mind straight, Giving dance at the guy gate, Giving dance at the guy face, I be talking like I got a wait.
Mascara's done. Okay, now I'm going in with my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and I'm just putting it right here because I'm not beating my whole face today. I'm just doing some concealer. So, the story of my life. Even though I love a full beat, not today.
God, I got it. Thank God, yeah, nigga, I got it. Thank God, cause the trends they watching. Thank God, I be getting, can't stop it. Thank God, I got it. Thank God, I be counting this money.
So, I'm using both of my LA Colors Cover Pro Concealer Upstick in the shade Medium Beige and Dark.
I took the risk, Quinn tossed it up. I just left work to work some more. I'm still a workaholic, I didn't sacrifice it all. Paid to do
Fresh out East Atlanta with no mountains down.
And I'm blending this out with my beauty blender, and I go all the way up with it like this underneath, so then I get here to where my eyeliner is, it can sharpen itself up with the concealer. Like that. You see what I'm saying? Oh, you can even see that. I just go like this.
Drips at Wu-Tang. We like Jaclyn. What's the total? What's the lead read?
And blend everything out.
Ain't just a thing every time we show up. You a lame, and you so below us. Bet your hoe she know us, cause you know we go don't stay down.
I always like using this concealer to blend on a non-wet beauty blender, cause I just think it just works better that way personally. Oh yeah. Okay. Now that we're here, I'm kind of out of focus. Time to highlight. I'm doing brow highlight first, but before I do highlight, I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in Peach Please, and this is what it look like. It's a trio. It's trio of eyeshadows, and I'm using this little eyeshadow brush to do my highlight. I'm going in with the rosy color first. And I'm using this to highlight my brow, and I'd like to do the arch like I did on this one.
Miley Percocet, represent, gotta represent.
And I take the extra product and I go underneath.
I know they tired of me, honestly. Don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me. Dropped 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working this?
And yeah, I'm going in now with this shade. I just flipped the brush over and literally switch shades.
Believe me, get beat, cause I'm flexing Rarries. You can bet on me.
I try my best to swoop underneath, so that way it look like there's a barrier between the eyeshadow and my eyebrows. Now I'm going in with this what is it called? Foundation brush, and I'm using that peachy pink shade first to highlight my cheeks.
Some designer to hold up my pants. I just want some ice on my wrist so I look better when I dance. Have you looking at it, put you in a trance.
And then I switch and do the peachy pink shade.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.
Okay, and if I put too much, because this side is very subtle, I like to do that bow on your face highlight, but today I'm going subtle because I really want everything to be focused on the eyes. So I'll go in with this brush, foundation brush, and I'm just blending that out so it looks more subtle. Okay, and now that it's more subtle, I'm doing the same thing to highlight my nose. And my nose, I don't like to do subtle. I like that bling, popping nose highlight. Like, yes, I'm in your face snatches.
Cocaine, codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean is federal. I take out blending on Nebula. As the next 20 M's on my schedule. Take off.
Okay, you see? Oh, snatch. Okay, so I'm gonna zoom out and do my lips. So, ooh, dang. Okay. So here we are on my lips. I'm taking the Broadway Ultra Lip Mint Oil Lip Gloss. This is what it looks like. It's literally $1. You can get it from your local beauty supply store. And I'm just applying this all over my lips.
You got no.
Hold on, wait 1 minute. Yeah, hold on, wait 1 more. You know you the baddest, baby, fuck them all.
And yeah, so I'm gonna zoom out so you guys can see all of it together. So hey guys, yep, this is the completed makeup look from top to bottom. And I really hope you guys do enjoy this.
Yeah. Metro on the beat, Metro on the beat.